guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then thank you very much for clicking on. I hope you want to stick around by subscribing, and to my subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. So this is my first get unready with me. There's lots of videos on YouTube of the get ready with me, and they do their makeup and everything, but I'm gonna do the get unready with me because it's my favorite time of day. I just love taking the hair out, getting a nice face mask on, just pampering myself and getting into my PJs. It is my favorite thing to do, and get the makeup off because makeup really irritates my eyes really bad. So grab a cuppa or whatever drink you want, glass of wine, get cozy, light the candle, and yeah, get unready with me. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take out the extensions. So let's start from top. Now I have a lot of extensions in because I have thin hair, but lots of it. So it takes quite a lot of extensions to make it look thick enough for me. I'll show you it all at the end. It is quite a lot. So another click. I will try and link these extensions in the description. They came from a UK seller. I had them on eBay, but I made sure they were a UK seller, only because whenever I've had ones that have come from China, they are really thin. They are really thin and don't last very long. So I think these extensions were, I think they were £24.99, but I had to buy 2 packs, so it cost me £50 really. But they are really okay. So this is what my hair is like. Pretty short, you know. But I did have a straight cut bob done just before lockdown. Well, it wasn't just before, it was about February time, I think. And yeah, really love it. The only problem I have is that my ends don't colour very well, or they don't hold the colour, and I think it's because I spent so many years dyeing my hair, kind of ruined it. So that's why I'm trying to stick to the one colour now, which this was my natural colour when I was born, although when it's growing out it kind of looks more blonde now. Well, I am going to be using my Tropics. This is the smoothing cleanser. I really love this. I'm just going to take my rings off on that hand. So I do 2 pumps, and then just rub it in. This is the magic. Sometimes you might have to go in twice just to make sure it's all gone. I usually go in twice anyway, once to remove the makeup and then once to make sure I'm cleansed. But this mascara, I mean, wow, look at me. This mascara, I found it tends to hold on a bit more than others would, which, you know, is fine by me. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and use my bamboo cloth now to wipe all this off, and then I'll be back to do it again. Actually no, I'll just do it off camera because it makes it easier. So I'll just go finish cleansing my face and then I'll come back. Okay, so that is done. Again, that was the Tropics Smoothing Cleanser. You can see how clean, bare-faced I am. Nice fresh skin. Gonna go in now with the Tropics Vitamin Toner. So now for moisturiser, again Tropics Skin Feast Nourishing Cream Concentrate. Just do take about that much. That would be easier to show you, wouldn't it? There. I had this one from Pretty Little Thing, I think, so I'll try and link this for you. So yeah, it's just double-ended. So I like to go in first with this side and just do under my eyes. Just give it a few rolls. It's nice and cold as well. I know a lot of people keep these in the fridge, but I feel it's cold enough without being in the fridge. And then I use the big end. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with another Body Shop. This Fresh Plumping Mask. So I don't know whether to, I've just picked up the sample sizes because my skin is getting very irritated lately, but I am loving these. Purifying Glow Mask or Fresh Plumping Mask. Do I want a really good cleanse, so I think I'm going to go in with this one. I just use this brush. This one is a deluxe brush from Unique. I don't tend to use this, so this has now become my face mask brush. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna start picking it all over my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this beautiful look for 5 minutes and then wash it off, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've just washed that off and my skin feels really amazing. So what I like to do now is the best part of my day, to get into my PJs, which you'll be able to see. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into my pajamas. Okay, so this is a close-up of the pajamas. Just says Pretty Little Thing across the pocket. I will leave these linked down below as well, but all I've done is put my hair up, got my glasses on, and well, yeah, that's basically me done. So that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any video recommendations, please comment them below or DM me on Instagram. But yeah, this is my favourite part of the day. No makeup, fresh face, pyjamas, glasses and bed. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget about the giveaway I have going on. I will link everything down below for the Louis Vuitton dupe bag. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye guys.